welcome back to another vlog. As you can see already guys, nandito na kami sa airport. So we're traveling to another country guys, and that is Seoul, South Korea. Actually, this is our second time na, but it feels like it's our first time again to visit Korea. Medyo hindi na kami nakapag-vlog kanina because nagmamadali kami. Medyo na-delay kami sa runway from Bacolod. Current situation guys, naghihintay kami ng flight namin going to Korea, and ang time is 1:10 in the morning and ang flight namin is 2:50 a.m. And so hintay-hintay lang. By the way guys, 1 hour ahead si Korea from the Philippines. Konting kaalaman. Charot. Konting kaalaman, guys. Well, kanina, parang first time ko na maraming tinanong. Yung tinanong sa akin was all about my employment. Okay, so first thing na tinanong sa akin ng immigration officer, guys, is yung aking employment. First, kung saan ako nagtatrabaho. So, sinagot ko naman siya kung ano yung position ko doon sa pinagtatrabahuan ko, sinong kasama ko, kailan ako babalik. And parang yun lang. Basically, yun lang yung mga tinanong sa akin. Pero sa husband ko, hindi ko alam kung ano yung tinanong sa kanya. Meron din? Wala naman. Same din.
So, mga ganitong itsura. Walang question.
Basta, parang hindi ka tulad sa Vietnam na parang kinuha na talaga yung passport and then you're good to go. Dito parang ang dami pang tanong-tanong. Pero okay lang naman guys, yung immigration officer. Parang wala naman sila masyadong eme. Hindi ko napakita kanina but walang pila talaga. As in, nagmamadali kami kanina kasi na-delayed pa kami sa runway. But, yun. Ang bilis nun talaga. As in, parang mga 5 tao lang siguro yung nasa pila. Maganda yung flight na ganito, no? Yung red eye flight. Oo.
Get the charms out.
Good morning, guys. So, we are now approaching Korea. And eto yung... Ayan yung labas. Ayan. Parang ang lamig-lamig na. So, naka-fill up na rin kami ng aming arrival card, guys. Ito yung binigay na sa amin ng Cebu Pacific, actually. So, nandito na yung arrival card as well as yung health declaration. That one. So, ito na yung ibibigay nyo sa immigration. Baggage claim muna kami guys. Nandito na kami sa Incheon International Airport.
Annyeong.
Wait. Okay. Sige. Wait a minute.
Walang red na, green ka pa naman.
Oh. So, ayan guys. Before nyo kunin ang luggage, magti-train muna kayo. Then, baggage claim.
So we just landed in Korea Incheon Airport, and we already snapped our passports. So, walang tayo tayo ng
Yan.
luggage natin.
Tapos na kami guys sa immigration. Next is our luggage. Baggage claim na kami. Okay. We're done sa baggage claim. So guys, before getting your luggage, kailangan muna kayong mag-train going to the next terminal. And then, mag-immigration muna kayo. And lastly, yung baggage claim. So, lalabas na kami. Nandito na din yung aming mga bagahe. Ayan na. Dito tayo mag-exit. Diyan tayo mag-exit. Okay. Annyeong. Annyeong, annyeong.
Annyeong. We'll get to see na.
Annyeong, guys. We're finally in Korea. We're going to claim our SIM card. I think dito. Here. Okay, so tapat lang siya ng exit. Nandito na yung mga prepaid, Wi-Fi, and SIM. Ayun. Nag-book kami through Klook guys for the SIM card. Ayun na guys, nakakuha na kami ng SIM. So, binook namin to through Klook. Dito nyo lang siya makukuha sa may KT na SIM and eSIM in front ng exit mismo. So, sa arrival area. Ito siya. Ayan, ginagawa na ni Charles.
SIM mo rin.
Kaya na mismo yung maglalagay sa phone ninyo ng SIM. So, ayun na guys. Kinabit na namin yung SIM sa aming mga phone. Kayo yung maglalagay sa phone unlike sa ibang countries na sila na yung naglalagay ng SIM sa phone ninyo. So, makikita nyo lang siya guys dito. Ayan siya. Just in front of the arrival area. Ayan.
Alright. Let's try it. Yes. Mag-withdraw siya. Withdraw time.
Withdraw time. Ay, hopefully mag-work. 4,000.
Yes.
Ah, no service?
No service. Wala ka.
No service? Okay, so pahirapan kami mag-withdraw dito sa ATM machine nila. Nakadalawang try na ako pero try natin ulit.
Do you want to charge your card?
Can we charge it here? Okay. How much?
Usually 10 or 20,000.
Per card. Okay, 10,000 won each. $10,001 each card. Hindi na kami, naka-withdraw na pala kami ng money from the ATM machine. Yung card ko lang yung hindi na hindi gumana. Ewan ko kung bakit. But anyways, after nyan, bumili kami sa CU. Nice to see you ng dalawang e-money card. And then, pwede nyo siyang loadan dyan din, guys. So, 10,000 won each. Para pagdating namin sa Seoul Station, hindi na kami magpapaload. Diretso na. Ayan. Okay, let's go.
So, ayan guys. Airport Railroad. Ayan.
Struggle is real.
Ayan. Yan yung mga bagahe niya.
Sana tama to, guys. It's okay. It's part of traveling.
Ayun, Airport Railroad. So, update lang guys. It's already 4 degrees here.
What time now?
It's already 8. Yeah, so it's 7 a.m. in the Philippines. Oh. Wow. So, ang laki pala ng airport nila guys. Sobrang laki.
Hindi, kasi first time kong mag-train. Yung first na
Ay, oh,
punta ko dito,
nag-bus.
Nag-bus. Let's try it. Okay, so we're on the right path. Andyan na yung mga machine nila for
Kamay.
yeah. Doon tayo kukuha ng one-way ticket going to Seoul Station.
So, Seoul. Tapos, okay.
There.
Na-load na di ba la?
Lainiya din. Hindi niya pwede sa ano yan. Ano yung amex na yun?
Ay, there. Card recharge. There. Charge ticket. Vending.
插入现金. This is a disposable transportation card printout
disposable.
machine. Please select preferred service.
Oh, okay.
Select
Select station.
Please select arriving station.
Myeongdong? Or Seoul?
Seoul Station.
Route map ay? So,
Seoul Station. Ano yun?
dali lang na siya.
Please select number of passengers and insert cash. One ticket.
So, it's 5,050.
So,
Two tickets.
10-1. Okay.
okay.
Insert. So, mag-insert pa. Wala guys.
Wait lang. Kung yung udong, lagyan niya siya.
Yeah, Myeongdong.
How much ang total ta?
It's 10-1. So, may change gini-gini.
Ano yung 10 mo?
10,000 muna bro. Is that it? Okay, so inserted. That's 11.
The ticket is being issued. The deposit can be found from the refund machine at the arriving station.
Okay.
The ticket has been issued. If you want the cash receipt, please select print receipt.
Issue a receipt or confirm.
일회용 교통카드 발매기입니다.
Okay, so
안녕하세요.
that's it.
Okay,
So,
so
kailangan
kung yung dong man
mag-book.
siya.
So, bining mas stop dito tayo no?
Yung stop kita tapos
Transfer.
transfer to yung. Okay, go.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sakto ni.
Is that correct? Tugnaw ba? Ari, line 4. Ay. Saan? Amunikin gusto mo, di ba? Amunikin gusto mo. Oh my God. Abi, bebe.
So, ito guys yung struggle pag nag-train. Ayan, tingnan mo siya. Wow! Wow! Nandito na kami guys. We're here now in Seoul. Well, si Charles naman struggling sa stairs.
Struggle at all.
Yan lang yung yan lang yung downside pag nagte-train. Pero meron namang elevator, kaso hahanapin pa namin. Woo!
Dito?
Grabe, ang lamig-lamig.
So hot.
Grabe ang lamig, guys. Lobat ako ba? So, hinahanap na muna namin yung aming hotel. Lumabas pala kami sa may Sky Park. Pero yung hotel namin is natawag. Nahanap namin yung Sejong Hotel kung saan dun kami titira for 2 days. Currently guys, napakalamig. So hinanap namin yung hotel namin, which is yung eto na pala, Sejong Hotel. Yan. There. So, iwan muna namin yung luggage. Then pupunta kami sa Gwangjang Market. Gwangjang. Oh, naubo na siya. Yan. Ito yung Sejong Hotel. Buti na lang guys, mainit dito sa loob ng hotel. Naka-on yung heater nila. Ayan. So, ila-luggage drop na lang muna natin. And then, let's go to Gwangjang Market.
Yes.